Lace wear. Lace wear. It's finally hair day. I'm going to get my hair done after a while, and I'm so excited. And I'm gonna install a curly wig. It's a 360 wig. However, I am not gonna do a 360 today. I'm just gonna do a normal install. I just need to get my hair done, so I will take you guys with me. I've got my makeup done already, and yeah, I'm just ready to go. Guys, I'm so late. I'm always late. Why am I always late? But luckily, she's not done with the client yet, so even if I'm late, she's not gonna notice it.
Lift is going up. Door closing.
Got everything. I've got my hair, my tripod, my my DJI. There's nothing missing, I think. My makeup is here in my bag, just in case I need to retouch it. I want to make the best content today. Hopefully I'll be able to. Hi.
Hello there, you okay?
You okay?
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, need you. You should let me love you.
Why? Yeah, you can, yeah. Have you been to a gospel? Ready. Period. Hopefully it's not too small. Oh. Posizione. Been obsessed with her songs. She's so good. What did you say? My friend said she's been obsessed with the singer.
Chantal Rotando. Is it Chantal? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Chantal. Yeah.
Very
I
good.
love Chantal. No.
Melted. Baby hair.
Baby hair?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this time, yeah.
Yeah. I did it. They tried.
Yeah, mama, too much makeup. Too much makeup.
Kabishi. Like.
Girl.
Okay, to mama.
You haven't seen me.
Scary. Maybe that's what she's saying. Maybe because you look different. Do you look different?
Sense.
Check it back.
She said bust.
I will take.
This is the love.
Can you see the melt?
Yeah, let me put it at the front. Yeah, feel the same thing.
Look at this.
I miss you so much.
Oh.
Me too.
Lace wear. Lace
Don't worry,
wear.
I'll say it, dear.
It's cute, isn't it? Love it.
Like proper.
Now she's licking the hair back, right? I think that's what she's doing. I'm guessing. Lick it back.
Put that whole comb on it. Yeah. Don't worry, no one is getting hurt here. We don't ban anyone, okay?
Real melt.
Up to like here.
Yeah.
And then your hair just...
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, it's definitely...
We're gonna go for this style.
One. It's okay. Because of an accident. Anyway, are you ready?
I'm
Okay.
ready. Hey.
Wow.
This is nice.
Wow, you look good. When you take this off. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The reveal is revealing. Wow. Wow. Clack it. Clack it.
This is nice. I love it.
You're so cute. Sorry, I'm just admiring you. Now all I'm gonna do is finish my assignments, okay?
If you come here, it's better.
It is. What's
Yeah,
my
yeah.
dad?